looks like it's time for new tires. These are pretty much done on both sides. Do a bed alignment. So I figure out, instead of buying new tires, I'll just buy a new set of wheels with the tires. The right way to do it, right?
Of course.
I got the rims from ZL1. Of course, they're a little bit thicker. The back is gonna be 305 by 30, 20 inch. The front is gonna be 285 by 30 by 20, much wider. So I got my technician over here. So let's see if that's gonna make a difference. The wheel fits right now like this. It's hidden a little bit. The back also goes inside like an inch or 2 inches, and with the new wheels they should cover that gap. All right, let's do it.
Jak zakładasz do tak. Nie? No wtedy, o Jezus Maria.
Alright, so this is the old tire. Alright, let's put that aside. Alright, then let's check it out the fitment. Shit, that color looks kind of cool.
Way better.
Yep, here's pretty good.
The center cap is missing. Fixed.
Perfect.
We got a little helper here.
Yep, my left hand. The color matches almost perfectly the paint of the car. Now the wheel gap is going to be a little bit bigger because the tires not as tall. They're almost 35 and this one's at 30. What's up? Auto. All right, that's the front. Second piece. All right. All right, let's do the other side.
Rolling in.
So let's see. So actually, it's a lot of room over here for this tire. Actually, I think it can go a little bit wider than this one. Maybe like 315, 325. We're gonna find out next month. That's the most important part.
My job here.
Yep.
Click.
Alright, so the wheels are done. I gotta say, they look kind of nice. I like it. I wasn't sure about that ZL1 finish. Not finish, ZL1 style. But I dig it. I just have to decide on the color. But this one looks kind of nice. And the fitment is way nicer. Could be just a little bit wider on the back.